Is it hard for you to keep up an exercise routine after you reach your 40s, especially with a busy lifestyle and no time to rest? Do you feel tired after a long day work with back, neck, and shoulder pain? Do you have trouble falling asleep or just turn and toss all night, waking up tired in the morning and feeling restless all day long? Hello, I'm Master Bai Yin, founder of BaiYin Qigong. Let me introduce BaiYin Qigong healing exercise, a quick and natural healthcare solution to improve your metabolism, blood circulation, minor pain and ache, and to improve your bone density. Qigong is an ancient Chinese healthcare system that is proven effective for 2,500 years. BaiYin Qigong integrates physical postures, breathing techniques, and focus intention to open blockage in the body based on the same meridian system that is used in acupuncture. BaiYin Qigong exercise requires no equipment, and you can do this anywhere, indoor or outdoor, young or old, male or female, physically fit or not fit, flexible or not flexible. I will show you in my 2-hour workshop on how to do Qigong self-healing exercise standing up, sitting in a chair, or even lying in bed. And only for 20 minutes a day, you will see so much difference in 30 days. The simple BaiYin Qigong technique that I'm going to introduce to you at my workshop is called Harmony Qi. This 7-step balancing technique will help to calm your body and mind, and in turn trigger our self-healing procedure. Harmony Qi is well known in Taiwan, Hong Kong, USA, Germany, Malaysia, Singapore, and China. The gentle yet slow body movements are designed to enhance strength, flexibility, and balance in the muscle and joints. I have been teaching BaiYin Qigong for the past 31 years. I have helped over 500,000 students worldwide to regain their health and wellness. The August 24th event will be my first English workshop ever held in Malaysia. I hope that you will take this rare opportunity to come and join me. I will demonstrate to you what you can do more to help your body to feel better and what hidden magical power that you might discover to improve your self-healing ability. If you have been feeling unwell, fatigued, stressed, unhappy, and want to change your current health situation, please come and join me today by signing up and reserve a spot on August 24th in Kuala Lumpur. Don't miss out this rare opportunity, as it might just change your life forever.